Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Thanks for stopping by. Today I have a unboxing of the Highway Pioneers, the authentic classics. This is circa 1910 to 1911. We have a 1910 Stanley, 1910 Hudson, 1910 Studebaker, and a 1911 International. 132 scale, 4 complete, you can't see it, 4 complete kits. Excuse me, this was put out by Minicraft, right there, and I don't know what year this came out. This is kit number 1503, and they are 132 scale out of Minicraft Models Incorporated, Torrance, California. And there's no production date on here. Maybe it says it on the instructions. I've had this for many years, and I'm pretty sure that there's only 3 kits in the box, because I think I built one back in the day. Yeah, we have three bags with parts in them, and I don't know which one was built or even where it's at anymore, because I lost track of it a long time ago. Let's see here. There's a nice write-up of the general instructions for your Pioneer kits. Okay. Still no date on it though. And then this little piece of plastic is for your windshields or your back glass or whatever, for your whatever particular vehicles you're going to build. And here's the instructions. I'll go ahead and do those now because they're right here in my hand. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Each sheet or each page gives you instructions to build one particular vehicle. So there is the Studebaker. Oh, the electric coupe. I didn't even catch that. That's funny. See, electric cars didn't work back then, but whatever. Here's Hudson. And a 1910 International Harvester truck, which is really cool. Apparently little guys come with each model. That's cool. And here's the 1909 Stanley Steamer. That's a real popular one. So that's the instructions. I'm going to go ahead and move that out of the way. And like I said, I don't remember which one I built. I wonder if I could tell just by what's left of the other vehicles here. So I believe this, let's see. Now they all have kind of the same type of wheel. But these big wheels, I think this is the, this one here with these giant wheels, I think that's the Stanley, I'm sorry, that's the International. Let me move that so you're not getting so much glare. There you go. And this one looks like the Hudson. And this one is the Studebaker. So I must have built the Stanley, the 1910 Stanley. And boy, guys, I have no idea where it's at. I don't remember if I built it for someone or if I built it for myself and it's just packed away somewhere. And unfortunately, I don't know what year it was that I acquired this kit. I know it had to be in the early 80s, because I know I've had it that long. So I'm cutting open the, whichever one this is here, the Studebaker. Let's see if I can punch down a little bit. Yeah, here, I'm cutting open the bag for the Studebaker. And like I said, each kit is all contained in one package. It is a glued together kit, but it has little locating pins in that, so you could almost make a snap kit out of it. I'm just going to gently press that in. Obviously it needs some cleanup around the edges. There's some flashing on the top. But these are pretty cool little kits. And when I purchased it back in the day, I didn't realize, I mean, I know it says it on the box, but I didn't realize it was 1/32 scale. And when I opened it up, it was like, ah, darn it, they're a little smaller than I was anticipating. But that's the gist of that one. And you get 2 body halves, 4 tires, or wheels, I guess they would be. and fenders, and a little dude. Oh, well, it just says 1910 Studebaker electric. It says right there on the, I don't know if that'll focus for you. Yep. And on this side it says Cowland and Cowland. Not sure what that's all about. Yeah, there's not a whole lot to these kits, but it was pretty cool. I'll go ahead and open another one. International or the Hudson? Let's do the International. Like I said, it's the first time these have been touched by human hands in over 40 years, I'm sure. Here's a little dude's head. They all look so happy back in that day, didn't they? Here it looks like carburetors on the top, some springs. This is a little bit more detailed kit. Pretty cool looking kind of modern steering wheel. And this is the back part. Which one did I open? Oh, I opened the International. Okay. I didn't realize which one I grabbed. Here's the 4 big giant wheels. Look like the old 3-wheeled bicycle, the high-rise ones. And here's half of the body. Goes like that. The other half will go here. All right. Here's the top. A little scuffed up from age, but wow. Yeah, this looks like the plastic itself is scratched. I'll have to clean that up. Here's a front or rear wheel. I'm not sure which one it is, but it actually looks like a train wheel. Here's front. Okay, this is the rear because here's the front steering. Here's the chassis. Minimal detail on that. And then, well, it's kind of cool. Got the big old radiator with International symbol there. Little tailgate with the license plate. Some wheel parts, I'm sure. Lights. These are like for the headlights. If you can see the box, they're right there. And that was that one. And might as well go ahead and open up the last one. Why not? I don't know if this is available anywhere. I'm sure you can find it, somewhere, but I haven't seen it in many years. And this here is the 1910 Hudson chassis. And that's what it says on the bottom. Again, oh, there we go. Copyright 1956. So this is an older kit that was put out again later on, reissue. Cowland and Cowland, I don't know who they are. They might be the mother company of Minicraft. It could be. Yep, it says right there, copyright 1956 on the bottom. And then we have half of the body, which is kind of cool looking. Radiator. Some linkages for the steering, I'm sure. Other half of the body, going that way. Little cover for the roof that would collapse down, make it like a convertible. The seats. And a little dude that, oh, it's a little boy. He's the one that, can you see the box? Yeah, he sits in the back with the American flag there. That's him. And this is his chauffeur with his head and arms and body and chest all separate. One of the wheels. Little tiny steering wheel. Looks like it come out of a submarine. Axles, front and rear. This could be, well, this is bent over. These look like little hubcaps. This looks like a generator. A little grill piece. 2 more wheels. A light for the front. There's 2 lights. The other one fell off. It's right here. That's the other light. Dropped them. Here's a spare tire for the back. 2 wheels. Some shifters. Those are kind of neat. And a brake. Little deal here, not sure what that is. And then fell off the tree is the fourth wheel. So that's it, guys. I don't really have much information about it other than I remember I was really young when I acquired this kit. And I'm sorry I don't have more information on it. But it was pretty cool. It was down in the stash, and I thought, well, I might as well do this one. You know, we'll do it on a slower day. I did it on Thursday for you. And stay tuned for more unboxings. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.